In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December gold futures contract, which dropped down over 1% to the bottom of its downward sloping channel, which it has been trading in over the last 9 sessions. It even broke the lower trend line, but quickly moved back above it. The low today, 26.2340, was down 1.6%. We moved up about 0.4% by the time we got to this point, which is a little bit of time left before the close. The high today, 26.7240, that was up about 0.25%, but obviously the headwinds for gold today prevailed. When you're looking at the Fed, gold is still on Fed watch, as rate cuts would likely be a tailwind for gold, and some sort of reversal of that particular dovish stance would be a headwind. And what we got today, when you look at the CME Fed Watch tool, is that the probability battle is no longer between a 50 basis point rate cut and a 25 basis point rate cut at the November 7th FOMC meeting. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, the probability of a 50 basis point rate cut is now at 0%. A 25 basis point rate cut is now at 87.3%, and the probability of no rate cut at all is at 12.7%. This is a seismic shift going back to October 1st, when we had a 36.79% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut and no chance of leaving rates unchanged at that November meeting. We're also looking at some disappointing stock market performance out of China, where the Hang Seng Index fell 9% after a certain part of the Chinese economic infrastructure decided not to add new stimulus plans. And that's also a headwind pushing gold lower today, as that takes a little bit of the steam out of a Chinese comeback and possibly them buying more gold for their central banks, or individual consumers buying more of the actual precious metal.